so today we will be making ghee from pure Irish butter that is unsalted. So I'm going to be using a lot of sticks today because I'm making a huge batch, so plan accordingly. So I am using butter that comes from grass-fed cows and not treated with hormones. This gives it the natural taste that you get from the ghee that's from India. So once the butter is melted, you will start seeing white residue that's piling up on top. This is the lactose that you need to remove. So anybody that's lactose intolerant, this is the part that you need to remove. So keep stirring it and wait for it to accumulate. So now you can see that the blobs are floating up on top. Just wait until you see a lot of them. Now using a strainer or any type of spoon, just take out the white residue as much as possible. If you're lactose intolerant, make sure you take out all of it. If not, you can leave at least a little bit. I couldn't get all of it, so I'm leaving a little. So once you've removed most of it, make sure that the liquid is getting transparent and it starts to get golden brown. Now that it's golden brown and transparent, I'm just going to heat it for a little while longer. So now everything is transparent, everything is ready. So just turn off your stove and let it cool. And then transfer it to a jar and you can consume it like ghee. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the bell icon, and the subscribe button to know when I post next. Also, share if you like my videos.